Hello, this is Tristan, but if you cannot hear me well, this is the reason. Okay, so basically this is my Washington Winter with the brother.
Okay, I look happy.
And 9, there are not going to be any video games today for this time because I cannot record gameplay videos right now. I'm sorry. At least we'll record these leads.
We're going out today. Yeah! Okay.
Come on. Come on.
Why do you have your devices?
We're just taking videos and pictures.
Yeah, your boy.
Okay. This is going to be up to Grandma because I'm about to go.
Yeah.
I need you to watch your sister until I can find Grandma because I'm about to leave with Aunt Lori, okay?
Your boy.
I'm going to let Grandma know that you have those. Don't let her go to the street.
What?
Your boy. Oh, 9. That is sticky.
Emily's going into the igloo. Go on, Emily. Go. Go ahead.
And if you don't know what they look like without the mask, I'll take it off right now.
Seems kind of hard, don't you think? I'll help you, man. No, it's like this. Okay. That's what it looks like.
And that's what I look like without the mask. It's very hard. It's very hard to talk with that thing on.
Let's look in the igloo with Emily in there. Hi, Emily. Hi. Oh,
That's sticky. That's my brother. And my sister Emily is inside there.
my God.
And no, she is not a dog. It's my sister. I mean it. It's my sister.
She's 2.5 years
So
old.
this is part 1.
I am 8
So
and a half.
I will see you next time. See ya.